Hello everyone, my name is Greg Akins with Texas Parks and Wildlife. I'm with the Aquatic Education and Outreach Division. I wanted to show you guys today about gear maintenance. I have several different rods here. I'm going to show you the process of despooling it, oiling it, lubing it, and then respooling it again. This is actually a pad that I put together to despool the line. All you're doing is just bringing it in and despooling it, and that's it. We can cut it. We're going to go ahead and take the reel off, and we'll start rinsing it. The reason why we're taking the rod and reel off and putting it in soap water and fresh water is to make sure that the salt content and any sand that may be, particles may be in the reel, are completely rinsed out of the reel. After we do that, then we're preparing it for oiling and lubing. We take the lube and we're putting it and pasting it on the inside of the reel. You just take it and dip it in there. Okay, then you get the oil. Spray the oil on the spring and the inside of it. You can put a little bit on the winder and a little bit on the inside of that shaft section. And that's it. So after we dried the reel real well, we get that knot ready. Then you close the bell and we start to spool the line. And it's just that simple. We're respooling a line now, basically using another 25-pound test line. If you were out here on this pond, you would need 10 to 12 pounds, even 8 pounds would be sufficient.
Booyah.
But if you're going in the saltwater estuaries, you're gonna need bigger test line for bigger species.
All right.
Mira.
Our reel is now ready to go. It is time to get out there and go fishing. Enjoy yourself in our Texas waters.